Hey, what's up guys? It's Sebastian. So a lot of people have been asking me how to start dropshipping with a small budget because like I've explained many times, I started dropshipping with less than $50, which is very small budget. That is not a big budget. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through exactly what I would do if I had $150 to start dropshipping. Now, to make this video even better, this is just going to be the first step of this. It's not going to be a series, but it's going to lead into another video that I will post probably within the next few days to a week, where I actually implement this strategy and do exactly the things I'm going to say and show you guys the results. So if you guys are looking forward to that, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into this method. So off the bat, the first few things you have to pay for that are mandatory: a Shopify website, which is $29 per month. That allows you to have a 14-day free trial, so you won't actually spend any money for 14 days, which will allow you 2 weeks to actually make sales, which is very doable. It's doable to make sales in 1 week. So yes, the $29 is part of the cost, so I'm just going to mention it. On top of that, you will need to spend $14 on a domain. You can get them cheaper on GoDaddy and stuff like that, but I just do it on Shopify. It's very simple to set them up and it takes less time. So that is a total of $43 just on your Shopify account and the domain. So now you have $107 left. What do you need to do to generate these sales? Well, you have to build a website. A lot of beginners believe that you need to buy a fancy theme and set it up and have all of these crazy apps, when in reality you don't. I started with a debut theme. I've seen six-figure per month stores in this year that are running this year use the debut theme, so that theme is very fine. Brooklyn Playful is also a good theme. All of those are fine. You don't need to spend a crazy amount of money on themes in the beginning. The main thing is that you just set up your website properly and have a good product, which leads me to my next point. So when you only have around $100 left to spend, you don't have a ton of money to test different products, which means you really need to find a product that is already trending and already going viral and has a lot of hype over the product, so that you can squeeze in this market and make a few sales, make a quick buck, and hop out and then get into another product when you have more money. A simple way to do that: go on flippa.com, go on the dropship businesses for sale, filter by most profitable, and you can find quite a few good products on there. Another good route is going on Facebook, typing in 50% off, free shipping, 50% off, free shipping worldwide, free worldwide shipping, all of those keywords, and filtering by videos that posted this month, and you will see exactly which products are selling well this month by the amount of views these videos have. I've seen videos that were posted on the 1st of June and already have almost 2 million views, which is a clear sign that the product is selling well. Okay, so now you're at the point where you have your website, you have your domain, you have your product, everything is set up. Now you need to actually make money with your product. Now, I've seen some other videos where people mention Facebook ads for this low budget, but I don't recommend it. Facebook is very difficult to profit your first week on your ads running because of the fact that Facebook is very volatile when starting out. They don't understand exactly who your target audience is, which is why normally if you run Facebook ads and you aren't profitable the first week, that's the answer. It's because Facebook doesn't know exactly who they're trying to target, and that's the process. You have to have Facebook learn exactly who you're targeting, and then your ads will become profitable. It's very simple, but it just takes a little bit of time and more money. So I do not suggest you start with Facebook ads. We're going to go a different route of influencer marketing, specifically on Instagram and TikTok. An example is this door opener tool that I showed in the last video. I am actually going to test this product out on Instagram and TikTok and see how many sales I can make with this product. So I'm going to use this exact strategy to show you guys that it's doable. And I don't really know what type of influencers I'm going to find for this and what types I'm going to use. I may try to use actual influencers that actually have a face behind their brand. I may use general pages or meme pages. I'm not really sure yet. I have to do research, but dependent on your product, figure out exactly what audience you should target and go hard with that. One of my close friends from high school did this exact method with a product a few months ago, and it was, let's just say, a cartoon related product. So he just used theme pages in that niche and sold that product on Instagram and spent like $10 for a post and generated over $200 with that one post. So this method does work, but you do have to find the right influencers. Now, TikTok is also pretty cool, but this requires you to ship out the product, which means you will have to spend a little more money because you're going to have to use Amazon Prime or eBay to send out the product, because you probably don't have the product in hand since you're dropshipping from China, which has around 2-week shipping times. So what I suggest is when you're doing products research, cross-reference everything with Amazon and eBay and figure out how fast you can get these products to influencers. That will allow you very fast shipping times to get them to promote your product within that 2-week free trial with Shopify, so you don't have to spend that $30 without making any money. Now, some questions questions a lot of people ask are, should I create an Instagram page for this brand? The answer is yes, because if someone sees this product and they follow your page, maybe they're busy at the time and want to go back later and buy the product. What you can then do is post on your Instagram story, which posting on your story is free marketing. It doesn't cost you a dime. You can post on your story, hey, we're doing a big sale, an extra 10% off on all products, shop now, and then have link in your bio. You can generate sales like that. That is exactly what I do to this day with all of my brands. I have emails collected and Instagram stories. I post all the time on there to generate sales. Today I've already generated around $250 on one of my stores without even running any paid ads, simply just from my Instagram following and the email marketing. A cool trick I learned a while ago, that little drop down arrow on any influencer's page, you can click that if you have an influencer that's working really well. You can use that and find suggested pages that look just like the current pages you're working with, which will allow you to use more influencers and expand your reach with this product and then generate more sales in turn. Now that is a very simple method. It does not require a lot of time or money to start. Again, like I said, I'm going to be doing this live for you guys, not a live video, but I will film the whole process of it and show you guys exactly how it works, because I love Instagram influencers. It's how I literally got started with this business model. I turned $42 into almost $1,000 in like a week with influencer marketing, and I am a big fan of it. I still use it to this day. I suggest it to anyone who's getting started with dropshipping, because your ROAS can be through the roof if you have the right influencers promoting your product. Now, once you build up a decent amount of capital, one thing I would suggest is getting into Facebook ads. Even if it's just basic retargeting, I believe Facebook ads are extremely powerful because of the fact of who you can target. So if you have figured out an audience that you can target on Instagram and you found good theme pages, one thing you can do is figure out which interests are similar to these pages that you're working with, and then hop on Facebook and do the same exact thing. But that is about it for this video. It's a very simple method. It doesn't really require, again, a lot of explaining in my opinion. It's just set up your website, get a good domain, find a good product that is already on an uptrend, and just hop on the wave, ride it for a little bit, make your money, and get out. Again, very simple. One of the things I do want to clarify, I understand a lot of stuff with dropshipping, but when I discuss stuff with people who aren't so educated in the business model, there are a lot of things I leave out. So if you guys have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. One thing though, when you dropship a product from AliExpress to your customers directly and they pay you on your website, the payments do not go through right away. It usually takes around 2 days to get to your bank account depending on which processor you're using, which means you should have a credit card accessible to fulfill orders with. That will allow you to get your processing time fast and have your customers get their products in a timely manner so that you're not making them wait for their products longer than they need to. But again, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Very simple, and I will be making that video within the next few days showing you exactly how to do this method. So if you guys are again looking forward to that, be sure to click the subscribe button below and smash the like button, and I believe that's about it. Again, if you have questions or concerns, drop them in the comment section below, but other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.